चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने मुल्क में सदारती इंतखाबात 2022 का ऐलान कर दिया है। सदारती इंतखाबात के लिए वोटिंग 18 जुलाई को होगी। नोटिफिकेशन 15 जून को जारी किया जाएगा। नामजदगी के आखिरी तारीख 29 जून है। वहीं वोटों की गिनती 21 जुलाई को होगी। वाज़ेह हो कि सदर जमहूरिया रामनाथ कोविंद की मियाद 24 जुलाई को खत्म हो रही है और इसको जहन में रखते हुए अगले सदर के इंतखाब का ऐलान किया गया।
The Election Commission of India has fixed the schedule for the election. Notification would be on 15th June, that is Wednesday. Last date for making the nomination would be 29th June, that is Wednesday. Date for scrutiny of nominations would be 30th June, that is Thursday. Last date for withdrawal of candidature would be Saturday, that is 2nd of July 2022. And date on which a poll shall, if necessary, be taken is 18th of July 2022. That happens to be Monday. Thereafter, we collect all the ballot boxes and bring it back to Delhi. And date on which counting, if required, shall be taken and result declared, that would be 21/7/2022. Well in advance, then the 24th of July, the last date of the Honorable President being in the office.